Scientists have discovered that our planet Earth produces a mysterious, continuous humming sound that vibrates at frequencies too low for human ears to detect. One leading theory suggests that the Earth's hum is created by ocean waves colliding with the seafloor and each other, generating pressure waves that make the planet vibrate. The continuous movement of our planet's molten core and the interaction between tectonic plates may also contribute to this constant planetary song. These vibrations, detected by sensitive seismometers, occur at frequencies between 2.9 and 4.5 MHz, approximately 10,000 times lower than what humans can hear. Advanced seismological equipment can record these vibrations, which produce a consistent background frequency that's about 1,000 times smaller than the ground motions caused by earthquakes. The hum is constant and can be detected anywhere on Earth, though it becomes more noticeable when seismometers are placed in quieter locations away from human activity. Scientists estimate that ocean waves hitting continental shelves account for about 90% of the Earth's hum, creating microseismic activity that resonates through the planet. Other potential contributors to the hum include atmospheric turbulence, wind patterns, and the constant shifting of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface. Understanding this planetary hum helps scientists learn more about Earth's internal structure and may even help predict natural disasters in the future. Researchers continue to study this fascinating phenomenon, using advanced computer models and global seismic networks to better understand our planet's natural resonance.